Well, we're here, last day of Star Wars Celebration. I realized I forgot to make 2 days ago a video in public, and I still haven't edited yesterday's video because I'm exhausted, because I've just been running around and doing things. So I am here today as Darth Shella, aka if Darth Vader was a 16-year-old girl going to Coachella with the flower crown and my skirt. I'll do some OOTDs because I need to, because I'm proud of the skirt. Yeah, so let's go to the convention hall.
Right there. Bring him closer to your body.
We're going to go through, and some of the other buddies have come along, done their own thing, and everybody does their own thing. It's all love, baby. We have my buddy Chris here to just go through. Woo! That's flash photography, that's blinding.
Spin!
Alright, Bob, you want to introduce yourself?
My name is Will Z, otherwise known as Bub Fett, the Mandalorian Wolverine.
Yeah!
Sweet little darling.
Yes, my name is Amber Arden.
Woo!
I actually cosplayed as Snow Fett, which is a Boba Fett Snow White, and today I'm Sith Snow White.
Oh. Yeah!
Science!
Yeah! Take me to the dark side.
You'll have to excuse me, but the sea witch tried to steal my voice last night. My name is Jessica, made of my cosplay, and I do all the Disney princess sleeves.
Yeah!
What's up, everybody? My name's Eric Hikiwat. I do Jedi Elvis, and
Yeah!
thank you
Oh, that guy on the end.
How's everybody doing?
Yeah!
This is incredible. Yeah, it's incredible.
Oh yeah!
I'm Strider, aka the Hip Hop Trooper.
Yeah!
Be the trooper!
All right.
So you guys have all heard who I talk about as some of my favorite YouTube influencers, and I'm finally with one of them, this beautiful, lovely lady with Paris. Her link is going to always be in the description bar below. We're just bonding over Star Wars and Gem of the Holograms and all of this beautifulness. And the good thing is, I'm done for the day. So,
Celebrate!
celebrated celebration. See you guys later. Alright, so the con is officially over. I'm sitting with Amber. And we're at IHOP getting some food, so we're gonna grub down and then go do some photos. Yay! Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm officially home. It's about 7-something at night. It was a long weekend. I'm tired. As you can tell, I've lost my voice. I've been coughing, and I have the con cough, which happens after every convention where you end up getting a little sick. So I'm going home, drinking my Red Bull, editing yesterday's vlog, curling into my pajamas early, and calling it a night. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my footage of Star Wars convention. It was a lot of fun. I really loved going with work. We did a lot of really great work. I'm finally gonna sit down and do a video about that, about what I do exactly. Sorry for my voice. This week. But this week's a little crazy. As I said, I'm moving. I might have found an apartment, so I have to go look for it, or look at it this week. And I'll take you guys along with that. So, yeah. I'm gonna head home and curl into bed and finish my Red Bull and get an early night's sleep. There are going to be some non-vloggy type videos going up this week in addition to Veda, so I gotta work on those. But thank you guys for watching again. Links in the description bar below to, I know, Karis's channel. I'm gonna put a link in. So, and all of my social media. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!